Hi everyone and welcome to the May Plan With Me video. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. It helps me to keep going and to keep making these videos for you. And make sure to stay to the end of the video because I'll be sharing the freebies for May. And it's actually 2 freebies. And I really hope you'll enjoy. Let me know in the comments below what you think, if it's something you like or if I should be steering in another direction. Also at the end of the video I'll be showing you a quick flip through of the planner, so if you want to just see what it looks like once it's all finished, you can see that there. So in the first layout I'm doing one page where I'll be writing down my 3 main goals for the month. And that's the numbers 1, 2 and 3. I didn't use a header there because I wanted to keep it somewhat minimalistic and clean. But that's what that page was for. And on the other page, under the flower, I'll be adding my theme for the month. And it's what I wrote on that black piece of paper. As you probably know if you followed me, I'm really into having themes for the month. It really helps me to know what to focus on that month because there are so many things that I want to do. And I get paralyzed when I think of all the things that I want to do that I feel are super important. And I don't know where to start and nothing gets done. And it's so frustrating. So having a theme for the month works really well for me. And this month I'm setting up the Forever Good Life shop on the forevergoodlife.com. And you probably know already that I have an Etsy shop where I sell printable stickers, planners, and the stickers that I'm using in this video are already on the shop, but I wanted to have my own shop on my own website so I can design the way I want it and just, have it as my own shop. And speaking of the shop, the stickers that I'll be using this month are already in the shop. So on Etsy, you just search for Forever Good Life and you'll find them. So the stickers are 2 themes. One of the themes is hustling. So it's all about working hard, getting stuff done, being productive. And the other one is about intuition and alignment. So it's all about finding and following your intuition and getting into alignment and having the right mindset before you actually do take action. And some of the stickers there are inspired by Jess Lively. If you don't know her, she has a podcast called The Jess Lively Show, where she talks about personal growth, law of attraction, getting into alignment before you take action. It's really a good podcast. If you're into personal growth and you haven't listened to it, I would highly recommend it. So I just wanted to show you the view that I have as I'm sitting here working on my bullet journal. Those houses, the red ones, they really make me feel like I'm in the southern part of France. I don't know, it's something about the shape maybe, but absolutely the colors. And now it's starting to get green and it's the blue skies and spring is finally here and I'm so excited. And it's just, yeah, it's an amazing spot to work from. I really love it. So here I felt I needed a cup of tea, so I took a short tea break to brew myself a cup of tea. It's actually my favorite tea. It's black tea with peach flavor, ecologic. So this one is actually turning out to be my favorite layout this month. And it's a very minimalistic and simple layout. I follow some bullet journalists that use a lot of photos and scrap pieces of paper that they incorporate into their layouts, and I absolutely love it. So that's what I was trying to do here, but being me, it didn't turn out the way that I had planned to. My idea was to have lots of photos and scrap piece of paper and just build it up, but I don't know what happened. But anyhow, it is actually my favorite layout this month, so yeah. So it turned out okay anyway. So this last weekly is actually a redo of a previous weekly that I've done. I think it was in April, but it could be March as well. I'll make sure to link to the video so you can watch it if you want to. But I did a different font this time, and the opposite side where I have Forever Good Life and then Home is also completely different than what I had in that previous setup. And I must say the previous setup is so much better. That hand lettering style that I used in that previous layout works so much better than the font or hand lettering style that I chose this month. So yeah, you live and you learn. Okay, so I'm flipping through the pages that I've created, and I noticed I forgot to add a sticker that I had planned. So that's something that I tend to do, that I go through and then I try to see what else I can add or what I've forgotten to do that I had thought. And also I'm adding the theme for the month. I had to let the text dry because otherwise it would be smudging, so that's why I didn't do that at the beginning. Okay, so here we have the first freebie, May It's All About, and the idea is that you write down either your goals or theme of the month. And the second freebie is a tracker, a habit tracker or a goal tracker. And I tend to write my themes for the month on my It's All About. So this month it's all about the Forever Good Life shop. So that's what I'm doing there. I hope you'll enjoy them. Leave a comment below if you like them. And if you don't like them, leave a comment below and let me know what you want to see more of. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed, press the subscribe button. And if you have any planner friends or bullet journal friends, share this video with them if you think they'll find it inspirational or useful in any way. And make sure to leave a comment below what you think of this video, if you liked it. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!